Now that we've gone up and down the 5 notes, let's see if we can make a tune out of it. What we're going to do is go up and down 3 times, like this. 2, 3. Now let's have a look at the left hand side with the buttons. Accordions vary with this on size. This particular instrument is a 72. They call it bass, but what they actually mean are buttons. And like hands with horses, that's how they measure an accordion. They say a 72 bass or 120 bass. You'll notice that the buttons are all in rows. And if you look at it from the centre of the accordion, the row going up and down and coming backwards, that is the shape you need to know. The first row, nearest the bellows, we're not going to deal with today. The second row, you'll notice that in the middle there is a button with a hole in it. Please find this. I use my 2 first and second fingers with the buttons. So find this with your second finger and press it and play it. Now, right behind on the next row is the major key. Now remember, we are in C. So, right behind that bass note with the button with a hole in it, press that now. Okay, now press them together. There you have your first chord. So if you put your note C, which as you remember is on the left hand side of the 2 black notes, you will have so you have played your first note with your buttons. Don't let this confuse you for the time being, but I will give you the information that going down the buttons, it goes in fourths, which is the 4th note of scale, and going up the accordion is in fifths. So in this instance, you have on the right hand side C, D, E, F, G, remember, with the notes that we played. So on the right hand side of the button and the button behind it with a hole in it is G. So what I want you to do is play the 2 notes in C, the button with the hole in it and the one right behind it, and then play G, exactly the same shape, exactly the same rows. So if you will just play C, C, fits in exactly with the little tune we've invented. So, C on the G, C, There you have your very first little tune playing the whole accordion.